What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about the retargeting campaign I'm running for New Year's Eve and the results.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, welcome back. So things are heating up over here for New Year's Eve, and I set up a retargeting campaign. I'll go ahead and put a link above to when I set this thing up, and I wanted to kind of show you guys some of the results we're getting. Retargeting, if you guys don't know what retargeting is, basically it's taking somebody that has already kind of interacted with us, either landed on our website, went to the ticketing page, done some kind, seen something from us, an ad of some sort, and basically then they've left the website or left the ticketing page without purchasing. Okay, I showed you guys the whole setup in the other video. Go ahead and click on that if you don't understand how to set up a retargeting campaign. That'll show you guys how to do it. And I wanted to kind of show you guys some of the results. Now, I don't run a ton of retargeting on all my stuff. I probably should, and I'm thinking about, after seeing these results, to go ahead and set it up maybe on some of my other websites and properties. But it's working like a charm. Okay, so let's take a look at some of those results real quick. And so far, I've been running, this is now December 5th to December 10th. I think I've only been running since December 7th, okay, or 8th. It's only been a few days. All right, let's take a look at some of these results. So we've spent $115, okay? I got the budget set at 20 bucks a day, which is not much. I have, I think, like 6 or 7, maybe 7 images, 8 images here, okay? And the way we set it up, or I set it up, is to have like one ad set and then a bunch of ads in the ad set, so that, the same image isn't just showing over and over again to these people, okay? And I set it up to go everywhere: newsfeed, Instagram, everywhere that these ads can pop up, they're going to pop up, but with different images. Okay, so say one person sees one image today, maybe tomorrow they're going to see a different image, but it's still going to have the same message, and trying to get them to go back and buy, from us for the New Year's event. So let's take a look at the results. Total spent $115 since I started this, which is not a lot. Okay, one ticket is $109 right now. We just raised the prices. This is how much I've brought in website conversions. $8,000. Okay, that, I would say that's a pretty good ROI on my investment. Most people would be pretty happy with that, so I'm pretty happy with that. So we've sold 38 tickets with this retargeting campaign, and spent $115 and made $8,000. So pretty good. Now, what I thought was kind of interesting here, and I wanted to bring up in this video, was how the images are performing. Okay, now this one image in particular, let's click on this and do an edit, and I'll be able to go in and show you guys the images a little better. Okay, so this image I've tested. Okay, now this image I ran last year or the year before, and it did really well for us. It performed. I don't know whether it's just the girls are pretty and something about it. It just to me, it's got like real nice, like a curb appeal, I guess. Like, it's just friendly. The girls have nice smiles. They're pretty. It's something unique. It's a little bit different. The headbands are a little bit different than what you normally see. The fluffy dress. You got to be careful. You can't show like a lot of like breast area, and you can't show like any kind of nudity, obviously, on Facebook. So this is, okay. It passed the test, and we've tested this image, and it's done really well. Now this image, this is just a stock image I took from iStock Photo. I bought it, and this image is actually doing really well as well. Okay, so maybe it's because she's like, looks like freaking supermodel, and she's drinking champagne. I don't know, but it's a good image. I obviously wanted to test that one, and I think this one's also my top performer here for whatever reason. This is my friend Christina, my ex-girlfriend Erin, and on the left here, and she's just having a little fun, got drinks in their hand. It's just kind of a fun image, and she's got the little what is that, hang loose sign or whatever going on, and it's just it's a unique image. So let's look at all the other ones here, and then we'll go back and look at how they're performing. And there's one just of a couple girls with a Happy New Year tiara in the back, and just another 3-girl image. That one's not doing particularly well, and this one's a little further back. Still 3 pretty girls. The in your face stuff seems to do a little better. Here's another in your face with 3 pretty girls, and that's the good one. And then there was one other one here, and 3 really attractive girls, but a little further back. But you can tell that's taken with a higher end camera. Okay, and this one's the stock image. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at some of the performance here on these. And it's kind of ironic how Facebook's taken the images and, we haven't spent a lot of money, okay? We've only spent $118 now. It just updated here. But it's taking the images that appear to get the best, that has the most purchases, okay? And it's giving them the most love, okay? That's where it's spending the most money, okay? So the Facebook algorithm is recognizing the ones. Now those are the video I was running originally in the page post engagement. So we're going from here up. Okay, so this one, the one with the the girl with the hang loose sign and a couple of my ex-girlfriends in there, that one's got a 9 relevance score. It's got 37 link clicks and 13 purchases. Now notice, Facebook's obviously spending more money on that. It's kind of recognized the fact that this one's not so hot, this one's not so hot, this one's definitely not so hot, and it's just not spending any money. This one as well, and we've only got like 1 purchase off this one, 2 purchases off this one, and then we've gotten 8 purchases off that one that we've tested, and a 9 relevance score, and this one has no purchases. Kind of surprising. I actually kind of like that image, but I'm not always right, so not always do I know exactly what's going on. But the stock image is performing the best right now. Okay, and we've got a really nice amount of the per purchase price is really low. I mean, any of these per purchase price under $5 or $5 or under is pretty good on a $109 ticket. We'll take that because we pay our sub promoters quite a bit more than that just to sell tickets for us. So anytime I can go online and get purchases less than $5 on any of these, we're doing pretty good as far as the marketing goes. We'll take that all day. So we just raised the prices. Tickets are selling at an incredibly fast rate. So obviously, the party's hot for whatever reason. We've caught fire with the party, and likely we're going to probably sell out. I'm thinking maybe even by December 15th. It's the 10th today. We might see it maybe early next week. We're going to have a total sellout. I'm going to probably run this retargeting campaign through the weekend. Obviously, these are all people that are popping onto our Eventbrite page. I got the pixel on there. They're seeing our website. I set it up with page views, and anybody that's visited the website is going to see this ad as well, as long as Facebook's able to track them. And it's working like a charm, guys. So 118 spent right now, and $8,000 in sales. So hopefully you guys learned something today and appreciate these behind the scenes type stuff on Facebook. I'm pretty sure there's not too many guys out there showing you guys their actual campaigns are running and the results are getting like I am here. This is really good learning material. If you would, I would appreciate you guys sharing this around. I'm almost to 1,000 subs. Actually, by the time this video drops, I might be at 1,000 subs. But the channel's growing, and I am trying to bring you guys the latest and greatest and the best information that I possibly can. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below as well, and I'd like to welcome you to the channel. If you haven't liked this video, go ahead and moon up the likes for me. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe and bang that notifications bell to hear about the next one. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.